In this topic, we continuing we focus on the important difference between managers and leaders. As said earlier, leaders are managers too, but not necessarily that all managers may be leaders. Difference between leaders and managers. Arguments about the difference between leadership and management are presented. Leaders are considered to be visionary and future oriented, whereas managers focus on day-to-day routine activities. The section concludes that effective managers often perform many of the duties and activities ascribed to leaders, thereby making the distinction between the two concepts somewhat unnecessary. Now we talk about leaders as manager. In the leaders, vision oriented. Leaders are vision oriented, while managers are process oriented. Vision oriented, the leaders are the vision oriented and think about future, while managers are process oriented. Manager always think about process, that how the organization works in efficient manner. Leaders are protect staff. Leaders always protect their staff and motivate them towards achievement of organizational goals, while managers are protect self. Managers always protect himself. Leaders are approaches decisions actively. The leaders are the decision makers and do not hesitate to take decisions in any respect, while managers are approaches decision cautiously. Managers always depends on his superiors and others to take decisions. Leaders are staff oriented. Leaders are staff oriented, while managers are career oriented. Manager always check about his career and how he or she moves up or develop his or her career. Leaders are listens actively. Leaders always involve his staff in decision making and listen everybody and get the suggestions from employees seriously, while managers are listen selectively. Managers always listen and involve selective staff employees during decision making. Leaders are deals with conflict. Leader always deal with conflict as they are critical analysts in the positive way, while managers are avoid conflict. Manager always avoids being involved in conflicts. Leaders are trusted. Leader always trust on his employees, staff and vice versa, while managers are unclear regarding trust. He is unclear regarding trust. I hope you understand leaders as manager. What are difference between leader and manager? Now I will tell you in this lecture. I tell you about difference between leaders and manager. I hope you understand this lecture. In the next lecture I will tell you about difference between leadership and management. Thank you.